Am I scared? Oh, maybe. Look what came in the mail today. Ta-da! So this is the AMIRO HYDRAGLOW Booster. It has microcurrent and it also has red light therapy, and it's meant to give you a Botox-like effect. So of course, we're going to box it and we're going to give this a good week's try. I officially turned 44. I have never tried any type of injectables, Botox, fillers, nothing like that. I think it's obvious because I do have like crow's feet and like I can fully move all my face. My brows are a little bit like down. I may be slightly scared of them. That said, never say never. In the meantime, I think it's a great idea to test out great at-home devices. This device is supposed to give you a workout for your face. Ooh, look at that. It kind of lifts everything as going to the gym does to your body. I'm instantly drawn to beautiful shiny things. Okay, has bionic current, stimulates human bioelectricity to clear skin-based channels, allowing active ingredients to penetrate deeply, helps the absorption of your skincare. And it also has red light therapy, which, as you probably know, is supposed to have a repairing effect. My plan is to test it out over the course of 5 days. I want to be very, very clear and upfront about my expectations as I'm opening this serum. I would be 100% pleased if I had a more sculpted, defined look, but this is the serum and it goes inside the device. I'm going to show you in just a second. This is a full month of serum which has Botox-like peptides. Am I scared? Maybe. Am I intrigued? Certainly. So it says here it contains 9 anti-aging peptides and 2 types of plant-based retinols, proved to be effective on sculpting, lifting, firming, anti-wrinkle, anti-dullness, and other aging issues on the skin. So let's go ahead and test it out. If you've ever paid attention around my home, you'd know that the design of this is so aesthetically pleasing according to me. So first we need to remove one of these essences or ampoules. There's a secret compartment right here. And here's where we will insert the serum. Put back on like so. There you go. Apparently you can also use it with other serums. Of course, they're not going to be dispensed by the device because you need a specific ampoule. I got a charger. You press once. Oof, you see the serum comes out. And you're also gonna see the red light turning on. So I'm going to start with my jawline first. Okay, there's a little bit of a tingling sensation, but it's good. I totally feel that. Okay, it's like, it's enough so that you feel that it's actually doing something, but it's not that bad. So I think it's a good idea to just do like half of my face. I want to do the cheekbones. Did you see that? Am I scared or excited? I don't know. Use it correctly. You're not supposed to use this near your eyes, and always like in an upwards motion. Should I go for like the double chin? See what it does? I'm gonna do it just on this side. Below. It feels like something like that, like it's pinching me a little bit. To the forehead, to the brows. So it feels like the serum is also necessary because it's conducting. Let me just stay there on the cheekbone. Like so. And let's do a little bit upwards in the brow. I feel like this also helps with my jaw to kind of massage it. I have really bad bruxism, one added benefit. Okay, there's a little bit of redness, but it's mostly due to the rubbing. My skin is very sensitive. Please tell me if I'm wrong. I see my cheekbone, this line, is more defined. Please confirm in the comments. I do see a little bit less of a jowl on the side where I treated it with the AMIRO HYDRAGLOW Booster, then in the side without. It is slight. This is just the first time, so of course I don't want to jump into conclusions. We're gonna keep testing it the next few days. Let's go ahead and go for the other side. It's very relaxing. It's also very refreshing. I feel like it's a gua sha with incorporated skincare, red light therapy, and electric muscle stimulation. It's like an all-in-one type of product. Redness on this side is already gone, so it's not like I'm allergic to the product or anything. Feels like I'm ironing out those wrinkles as well. It's way more relaxing than I thought it would be. This like tingling sensation from the electric muscle stimulation is activating the blood flow. And another thing that's surprising me is that it feels pretty gentle. I want to be gentle with my skin always. Oh, I find it so relaxing on my jaw. Go over those crow's feet and iron them out. Right over my cheekbones. Okay, so for day one, I am definitely impressed. I feel my face looks depuffed. Like I look like I just had a very nice workout. Do you know when you go to the gym and you come back and you look at yourself in the mirror, like you look like slimmer, like the overall inflammation in your face is gone and you look a little bit more youthful. I guess we can say these are the official results for day one. Like I said, we're gonna do this for a whole week. I think it has been a relaxing, pleasant experience. I was a little bit concerned about what I will feel, if it would be too harsh, but look at that. Let me show you a close-up of the texture of the serum, because I feel that is really important when it comes to skincare. Oh, look at that. It's gorgeous. I want it to be wasted. How does that look to you? I'm excited to see what this can do in a week's time. So we'll give it another go tomorrow. Good morning from across New York City. Day two, we're testing out the Amirobeauty HYDRAGLOW Booster. This morning I'm PMSing big time. Like I'm all swollen, a little bit puffier than usual. Looking out here on my nose, I press once.
As someone who has struggled my entire life with redness and rosacea and, having a very reactive, sensitive skin, I'm always very, very cautious to introduce anything new to my skincare routine. So one thing that gave me peace of mind with this device is that it is FDA cleared, which should be the norm, but unfortunately there are many out there that are not.
Here we go. So this is day two.
Okay, I'm liking this. By day 3, my HYDRAGLOW booster was something I was looking forward to in my skincare routine, and you'd be surprised mostly because of how relaxing it felt once again on my jaw. It was so amazing. It's like having a massage, but on an area that is usually so tense for me, especially in the morning. And on this particular day, as you can see, was very misty, awful day, and it felt like the perfect pamper routine when I didn't have a lot to do outside. And another thing I noticed is that I woke up with my skin not feeling that tight at all, which is usually the case, especially during fall, because the air is so much drier. And it made me think, hmm, could it be could it be the device that it's actually doing something, on a bit of a deeper level? It is, after all, supposed to help penetrate any other skincare products deeper into the skin. And later that day, my best friend commented on my glow. So maybe it's doing something. Now let's jump right into the end of this week, in which I tested out the Hydra Glow Booster by Amirobeauty. Something quite unbelievable happened this. So I was minding my business, doing my upward motions with my Hydro Glow Booster, and I noticed that I was actually on level 2, like using the strongest microcurrent level. And honestly, it felt so natural to kind of go up a little bit. So I guess if you're starting out, I would recommend the first few days to try it on level 1 and then go into level 2. From what I've researched, this device uses just about anything that's available nowadays to use at home to stimulate and boost circulation, which usually means that it will improve skin texture if used consistently, at least a little bit. And then I noticed something different. And I thought, let's put side by side my first day with the Hydroglow and today. Wait a minute. Was this actually working, or was it good lighting? Lights off. Well, would you look at that glow? Can't wait to read your comments on how you think this went. Did it work? Did it not? And I will catch up with you all again on my next one.